through a couple of points. Like, every 35 days, your skin replaces itself, your liver about a month. But body makes these new cells from the food you eat. So it's very important what we are, what we eat. So, well, the question is, have you ever visited a nutritionist? Yeah, to give advice on how food affect your health. So yes, last year actually I came to know about the healthy food for the body. So obviously I went through and I got succeed in this plan as well. And the second is, how often do you weigh yourself? So like it depends, once a week. And well, I used to be worried about my weight, right? But not anymore after losing 12 kg last year. And I'm very happy still maintaining it, because I think weight is something like that can be dangerous. And my weight was around 95, and then I reduced, now it's 82. So I'm quite happy about it. Well, the third question is, how often do you eat out, and how often do you eat fast food? Well, frankly speaking, actually, I would say I always follow 80-20 rules. So, what does this 80-20 rules mean? 80-20 rules mean, like, 80% I always go on diet. And well, I don't want to say diet, I always after actually healthy, clean mealing, because that clean your guts. So, yes, sometime like 20% I cheat myself, rather I stick with my plan. And fourth, what famous diet for losing weight have you heard? Do you think they can? Yeah. So the answer to this question, I can say, I usually don't prepare a diet plan, but I believe healthy eating. But last year I followed 2 month meal plan, which really helped me to reduce like 12 kilo, around 12 kilo, And I'm very fortunate because my wife, she's running a weight lose program, right? So she give me the menu, and I make sure I always stick to that. So that is what, like, I believe. And the question number fifth: have you ever been on diet to lose gain, and who planned it for you? That's what I discussed. But I would like to add one more point, because healthy diet is something like that. It play a very important role with the guts, right? So guts means intestine. So this healthy food, it always clean the guts. And if your guts is not clean, it result into bloating, your hormone changes. So overall, I wouldn't take much time, because there are another participant as well. But I would like to say, I'd rather go on diet plan than a clean, healthy meal diet. Thank you very much.
Dietitian control related topic we are discussing. The means the first question that I want to tell, like, I have you ever visited? No, I till now I never visited. I have never been visited any clinic or any hospitals for asking about my diet related plan. They can suggest me any kind of plan, any kind of platform, so I can no, I never visited. Okay, so and this is the thing, yeah. Just before, like, like before 2 months back, I went with my friend, okay, who is suffering from some diabetes, okay, who is suffering from diabetes. So that time he asking me, Muhammad, actually you also come with me. Okay, I went actually. Today is my meeting is there. Today is my, okay, today is my what you can, appointment is there, Muhammad, you could also please come. So I went there. That time he doctor has suggested that my friends, a lot of things that you need to do. You need to wake up early in the morning, and you need to eat this kind of food. Okay, that kind of suggestion she has given to my friend. So I visited there. Okay, so how often do you weight yourself? Yeah, I usually do, like, every 15 days, every 50 or 30 days I usually do to check my weight, that how much my weight is there, because I'm very curious about my weight. Okay, do you usually worry about your weight? Yeah, definitely. I'm very worry about your because I don't have any control of my diet. Okay, so that's why I check myself that my weight is proper or not. Coming to the third question, how often do you eat out? Oh my God, this is my fantastic. Okay, I now this is the now we are going through some pandemics, the corona. That is there is no one students are open now, so I am very used to eat. I very like to eat in barbecue nations, like there way I can eat some prawns, like some like starter type kind of things. I'm very and some like eating like means once in a week I am going I went every week. I will go and I eat there because I oftenly like to visit in barbecue nation because I like barbecue fish, such kind of startup things. Okay, now coming to the fourth question, what famous diet for losing weight have you heard of? Okay, yeah, that's what I'm saying now. When I went there, yeah, when I went with my friends, okay, to the doctor for for take the dietitian plan. So she suggests us like to eat more that you need to take right like salad. You need to eat. Okay, you need to eat brown rice. Okay, and it is and you need to means at night time you not take any oily kind of food. Okay, so night time you need to eat like you if you have the time you need to take like salad. Okay, so these are the things he advised my friend. Okay, so I know what famous diet for losing weight have you heard of? This is a question, no? Do you think they can do yeah, that's I completed now. Yeah, what famous, yeah, last first fifth question, have you, how often do you weight yourself? No, this one, no, wait. Yeah, have you ever been on a diet to lose gain weight? Who planned it for you? Yeah, yeah, when I was in when I was in college. That time I am very foodie. Okay, that time I never visited any nutrition, but that time, but I went to gym. That there are some gym instructor are there, some gym trainer are there. They had give me some plan, so that plan I got, and that time I follow keto keto diet, ketos diet. So these are the things that these are the things I want to tell. This is my opinion. So I am done with myself. Okay, so anyone I will give another chance to Mr. Junaid. Yeah, you want to tell something about? Hello, Junaid.
Hello,
Yeah, Junaid.
hello, can you hear me?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
audible.
yeah, you can
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mohammed, for giving me a chance. Okay, first of all, the topic is going on a diet, right?
yes.
So, first question is, have you ever visited a nutrition? Okay, so in the recently in March in my life, first time I visited in one of the famous hospital in Pune, which is Ruby Hall Clinic, and doctor name was maybe Nupur. He's a very good dietitian. There are some difficulties in my health issue, so I went there, and so I visited her. Appointed her. I took appointment and visit there. And the second one is, how often do you weight yourself? Usually about your weight. Yeah, I in maybe 1 or 2 months, I'm weight myself, and also I'm worry about my weight. And third one is, how often do you eat out? So I'm a foodie kind of people. So and also I'm a very good cook. So no need to go outside more time. So whenever I want to eat something, made by myself also. And for outside, around 1 or 2 times in a month, maybe I visited outside restaurant, fast maybe. And for is what famous diet for losing weight? Have you heard of? Do you think they can do anything? Okay, when I went to a dietitian. She suggests me something. I'm explaining you what she suggests me. So first of all, in the morning, after wake up, you uh, drink some hot water with a lemon, and in a breakfast, eat oats. And you have to eat less food, but the timing is in every 2 hours you have to eat. So this kind of suggestion she gave me. And second question is, have you ever been on a diet? So yeah, currently I'm not on a diet, but from last 3 to 4 months I was on diet, and it's a very good result shown on me. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
I'm
Junaid.
done.
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, hello.
Ha, Saroj.
Hello.
Yeah, Saroj.
Yeah.
Thank you, Junaid. Yeah, very nice word. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Saroj, you want to come?
Well,
Sure.
Okay, go on.
Uh, I've been listening, guys, from last 10 minutes. Uh, Before that, I have no. I'm not aware about the topic, but I have some now. I have some good points to say that about the topic. So the I was also going through that topic when you gave that topic in the WhatsApp group. Though, so the dietitian control. So, have you ever visited the nutrition? Uh, I uh, um I have never visited any nutrition as of now, but but um, uh, I have visited with my friend to a nutrition. She told like we should have eat organic food like means organic food so that our health should be good. And the second point is how often do you wet yourself? Uh, do you usually worry about your weight? Yeah, I'm much worry about my weight, so that uh, I'm concerning about my health. And the third point is how often do you out? Eat out. Uh, I have never eaten outside food, and sometimes when I could not able to prepare my food, then I visited outside and eat only rice item, not junk food, means Manchurian, that Chinese food. Only rice item I eat. And fourth point, what famous diets for losing weight have you ever heard? I don't much about that 4 points. That's it. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Saroj. Okay, now next turn is Mohit Sharma.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Mohammed. So basically, I have never visited a nutritionist in my life, but I have watched some YouTube videos where I got some most important um, about some news about or some good research. I have done some small research in that how food is more important in life and how we can proceed and how we can transform our life by taking a healthy diet. So I will tell in this discussion then how I change myself and how my body get transformed by eating this kind of food. So this is the thing. And if you have that kind of capability and if you eat those healthy that, and it will not only help you in making your physique good, but also your mental, your upper, your lower, your internal, your outer, your so your complete body you will be feel more better. and you will be more energized. So on the second question, I would like to tell you that how often do you weigh yourself? So basically, I check my weight about on 2 to 3 months, and not on regular basis, because I'm on a regular basis. I only eat healthy things in my home, and I'm not eating those junk foods or that kind of food which actually can put some bad fat in our body. So that's kind of trans fat or any kind of fat which is not good for our health, that can actually block our heart to pump, or block our any organ or any kind of muscle, or any kind of so can actually play as a blockage to for the blood circulation in our body. And so on do you really worry about? So yeah, it's depend on a personal perspective. So basically, if you are suppose you want to be you are little fatty, and you just want to put some or to lessen some your weight, then you will need to very worry at a time, because you don't know that the muscle which you are holding is actually a fat, and to remove those fat you need to work on your body, and for that you have to take some good diets. And so now I have seen that so many people are actually thinking that by eating some junk foods or some outside foods we can actually put on weight. So basically, before they were thin, so they thought that let's we eat some junk foods and we can actually put on our weight, and we will look some good. So that is not a good idea, I think, because that will actually in future you will going to mislead your body, or you are not going to be happy with your body, because that will only add some bad fat or bad you can say some bad sugar or some kind of bad thing into your body. So that is not a good thing. And if you want some complete result, or you want that your body look good by internally, then you think that you have to eat some kind of food which is protein dense food, or that have some good calories and that have some good carbs. So on third question, how often do you eat? So basically, I actually on a regular basis I take
सलाम
some
बोल
4 to 5 meals on a daily basis, and
नहीं
that
उसको
are
बोल
not
उसको वो
very
करेगा
much heavy, but small diet. I think I can say, because I have done some kind of
मोटा रहा बस
workout in my
ठीक है ना
previous
प्रमोट कर
days,
दे थोड़ा काम है
and
इसको
from that I have
बंद करो
regularly following those things, but not on a heavy basis, because I have seen some kind of mishap. I have faced some kind of mishappening, so that's why I have left those kind of things before. But I'm waiting for the time to come, so that I can also again I have joined those kind of thing, and to actually gain those confidence, or they gain those kind of food which were I was eating before. So how often do you eat fast food? So basically, I was not I will not advise anyone to eat those fast food, because they are not only bad for our health, but for our you can say for our whole body. So because now they are not that much thing they are good thing they are using, because you can't imagine that what kind of sugar or what kind of oil or what are the bad thing which they are using to make those kind of fast food. So we will never realize that this how this will impact our day-to-day life, because if you are eating such kind of food, then in a on a one or another day you will fall sick, and you will not be able to perform your task so comfortably which you were performing before. So on a fourth question, what famous diet for losing weight? So yeah, so for a famous diet for losing weight, I can say that you have to eat some protein. You have to be on a protein-based food, where you will eat more protein, less carb, and less fat. And you have to means work out more, and then so try to acquire more protein. Suppose your body weight is 80, and you have to about 200 to 160 protein on a daily basis, and you have to lessen your fat, you have to lessen your carb for about 3 to 4 months, because you have to check your weight on a regular basis. Then you will be able to transform yourself. It's not a that you can just you eat on a day, and another day you lessen your weight. So this is not possible. There are other components also which are very essential for losing our weight. So that's our basically L-carnitine. These kinds of actually help our stomach to burn their fat by internally, and you have to eat some kind of caffeine, some small amount of caffeine, which is also necessary for our intense focus. Do you think that can do any good? Yeah, it's very possible, very possible that you can transform yourself, your daily life, by eating such kind of diet. But it is not possible that you have to eat this kind of diet on regular basis, because it needs some time of gut, or you
हेलो
need some time of intense focus to
हेलो
have on this diet. But yeah, you can actually by suppose you have some good amount of fat, or you are
Okay,
very much
tell
healthy.
me.
So after transformation, you can
Okay, right
actually
now I'm in a
go
meeting
on
only.
to healthy
Actually,
diet,
conduct
not
demonstration
on
na.
regular
Connect
diet, but
both
you
the
can go
session.
on to healthy diet, so that it will not affect your body in a bad way, and it will actually make you more easier and more flexible in your daily basis. And on last one, have you ever been on a diet to lose gain what weight? So yeah, I was about in 2018. Some about I was 18. No, no, sorry. In 18 years, I was actually joined a gym, and at this time I was very thin, and so. I was also I was also tall at a time, and so my friends and my some of the relatives are basically, they
Super.
teased me at a time that you are so thin.
पानी
Why
दो ना
can't
सबको.
you do something to gain weight, or you try
सबको give me
something, you
water.
try this, I did. So I watched videos at a time, and that man which actually helped me, and which actually to advise me, that some YouTube video I watched. So it's basically a Guru Man is the, I think that it's the best in the world nutritionist, and you guys can also, I advise you that you also watch his videos now. So I watch those videos, and so he always tell about what are the components and what are the things in a food, how you can break how you can break those kind of food in a ratio wise. Suppose you are in a protein, how much protein you need, so you have to eat protein in the 3:2 ratio. Suppose you are eating protein in 3, then you have to eat carbs like that. So if you want some good packs, if you want some good muscle, then you have to balance your protein and carbs and fat. These are the three main components which can actually build your muscle. And so I follow that, and after that, I actually in 2 years, about in when I was in 20, I actually transformed my body, and at the time I was look more, you can say more bold, and at a time my pecs are good, my muscle was also some more fresh, and no one can actually at the time recognize me, because I was on my when I started those gymming things, I was more focused. I was not thinking about myself, that how thin I'm looking when so much are there in front of me. So I already focused on myself, that I should do my own self here. And so I followed my nutritionist, my not nutritionist, but I already on daily basis I was watching his videos at a time, and then it really helped me that yeah, we can actually, if we have that kind of potential, then we can actually transform by only watching new videos. Free, which is a free platform. YouTube is a free platform. We can actually watch those videos there, and we can actually transform by just having such kind of knowledge, because knowledge is a good thing, and
Okay,
any
Mohit.
field we can actually. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Mohit. Thank you. Yeah, Srishti. Srishti.